The final item that requires regular cleaning is the water drain filter. A clean filter is very important for the correct functioning of the appliance and should be cleaned frequently. When the appliance is in use, or you have just completed a wash program, a residue of hot water may remain inside the filter unit. Never remove the filter during a wash cycle, and always wait for the machine to cool down before removing the filter. The water drain filter is situated on the bottom right-hand side of the machine front panel. To remove the filter, first of all, open the filter cover by pushing the bottom of the cover inwards and at the same time pulling down the top edge of the cover. The cover cannot be removed completely from the appliance and will lie flat in front of the machine. Next, place a container such as a shallow bowl or an old meat tray under the open access cover to catch any water that may spill out when you remove the filter. Inside the filter cover, there is a large plastic cap. To withdraw the filter, unscrew the cap by turning the finger grip anti-clockwise. Withdraw the filter from the machine and drain any excess water into the bowl. Clean the filter of any debris by placing it under a fast-running tap. When clean, refit the filter back into the machine and turn the plastic filter cap clockwise. Make certain that you securely retighten the cap so as to avoid any possible leaks and also to stop young children from being able to remove it. Finally, close the filter access cover by lifting it upwards and gently pushing back into the machine front panel. That brings us to the end of part 6,